Let's take a journey through time and numbers. When you think of mathematics, you might picture formulas on a blackboard or maybe even dread from school. But did you know that some of the world's most fundamental math concepts actually started right here in India? Bharatiya mathematics, or Indian mathematics, goes way back before calculators, before computers, even before most of the world had a written language. Imagine ancient scholars, thousands of years ago in the Vedic period, using math to study the stars and perform elaborate rituals. Back then, the Sulba Sutras, texts written between 800 and 300 BCE, laid out geometric rules, early versions of the Pythagorean theorem, long before Pythagoras himself. But it gets even cooler, the idea of zero as a number, the decimal system, where the position of a digit changes its value. Both were pioneered by Indian mathematicians. The world runs on these concepts, from your bank statement to the computers in your pocket. Fast forward to the classical period, around 400 to 1200 CE. This is when things get really interesting. Aryabhata, a genius born in 476 CE, was one of the first to work with trigonometry. Yes, the same sines and cosines you learned in school. Then there was Brahmagupta, who introduced negative numbers and figured out how to do math with zero. Bhaskara I, first to use a circle to represent zero, a symbol that's now universal. Bhaskara II in the 12th century worked on early calculus and algebra centuries before Newton or Leibniz. But the story doesn't end there. Jump ahead to the modern era and you meet Srinivasa Ramanujan. Born in 1887, Ramanujan was a self-taught mathematician. Insights on numbers, infinite series, and continued fractions blew the minds of experts in England. India's legacy in math isn't just about ancient geniuses, though. It's a living tradition, with modern scholars like Radhanath Sikdar, who measured the height of Mount Everest, Harish Chandra, who made breakthroughs in mathematical physics. So the next time you solve a math problem, remember, you're part of a story that spans thousands of years. From the Vedic scholars to today's innovators, Indian mathematics has helped shape the way the entire world counts, calculates, and understands the universe. Pretty cool, right? That's the magic of Bharatiya mathematics. A journey through time, numbers, and endless curiosity. Thanks for joining me on this quick adventure. If you're curious for more, hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.